Okay, so here we are standing at the back of the Behringer X32, and this is the compact version. So we're going to deal with turning on the power and cutting off the power to the Behringer X32. And crazy as it sounds, you'll be surprised at the amount of people that do not know how to turn on this board. And I have to admit, the first time I came across this thing, I did not know how to turn this power off. So, first thing first, make sure the power cord, is inserted, and make sure that it's connected to an outlet where there's power. And before you hit the switch on to this board, this is a very important step. And always remember this step. Before you turn this power on, make sure that there are no powered speakers or powered monitors or amplifiers connected to this board, because this board will send a power signal. It will send a signal to your monitors, and you'll know once you power this thing on wrong, because it'll send a pop, and that pop could very well damage your speakers or your monitors. So if you don't have anything connected, hit the switch. And once you hit the switch, give it a couple seconds, and your X32 logo or symbol will show up on your screen here. And so once it comes on, if you have any settings going, you will see your faders go up and your lights on your board come on. So once your lights come on your board, then you have successfully powered on your Behringer X32. Okay, so when you turn this thing off, you want to make sure that you do the opposite sequence that you did before you turned it on. So if you have any amplifiers or powered monitors connected to your X32 and they are on, you want to make sure that you first turn off your speakers, turn off your amplifiers first before you hit this switch. So you power off your monitors or power off your amplifiers that's sending power to your monitors, whatever you have routed. And once everything is off, then you hit the switch. So you have successfully learned how to power on and off a Behringer X32.